How to add or remove controls in Control Center on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add or remove controls in Control Center on iPhone. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your settings, and on your settings scroll down until you find this Control Center option. Now click this Control Center option, and then you have to scroll down, and here you'll find all the apps and things that you have on your Control Center, and you can just add or remove these by clicking this plus and minus sign. For example, I'm going to add this alarm section over here, so click this plus sign on the left side and it's going to add this alarm over here. And now to remove it, you can just click this minus sign and then click remove, and it's going to remove this from your Control Center. And that's how you add and remove controls in Control Center on iPhone. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.